primetime news this evening. CARICOM leaders talk tough as they put on a united front to force the US to address illegal gun trade in the region. More rats than police, the concerns about the state of the Savlamar police station, and romance scam on the rise, a TVJ News special report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella Statin has released new data on inflation, and guess what? It's the lowest since August 2021. That and more in the Business Day.
And from business, we go to sports. Jordan Fort is here to give us a preview. Jordan?
Well, Herman, it's the biggest party in sport, or so they say, but the CPL won't be at Sabina Park for another year. I'll tell you why in a Primetime Sports Monday.
No way. And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Janella. Now, this week across the island, we are expecting continued clouds in the afternoon, but there's very little rain. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what more can be done to improve the marketing of Jamaica Carnival overseas?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.